I have made it here to Hersheypark for the 2025 season. How's it going, everyone? It's David here, and join me as I enter in the sweetest place on earth to see what is new and happening here in the park. So let's go in and try to have some fun. Good morning, Hersheypark. Today the weather is definitely looking iffy. Some off and on rain today with some thunderstorms tonight. But so far, pulling into the parking lot and here at the entrance, it doesn't look too busy right now. I'm a big fan of the Bowls, and they now have a permanent location right next to 1906 Grill. All right, made my first ride of the day here at Hersheypark on SkyRush. This coaster is one of the most extreme, unhinged experiences around. The airtime on that just feels lethal. It has one of the best first drops on any ride. It is fast, it is intense, it is out of control, and I love it. This is the all-new Twizzlers Twisted Gravity, the world's tallest screamin' swing. And man, it has a dominating presence here over the creek and Comet Hollow. Unfortunately, we had to say goodbye to the Sky Ride for this. Also, a lot of the trees have been ripped out, but oh my goodness, with this ride being right here on the hillside, wow, this ride is going to be crazy. Not quite ready yet, but it looks like they are almost done. So you may have heard of deep fried Oreos before, but I'm about to have deep fried Reeses for the first time. Okay. These deep fried Reeses are divine. They are so good.
If anybody else would also like a photo with Hersh, just line up for me in the red row front. Reese is very friendly.
Tidal Force is the giant Shoot the Chutes ride. Not open this time of the year as usual, but there are rumors speculating that this ride's days are numbered. Wildcat's Revenge. That ride is just so good. Like, the pacing on that and the flow of elements, it gets crazier and crazier as the ride goes on. Plenty of airtime, plenty of hang time, super smooth. It's an all-around package. My goodness, what a great ride. Lightning Racer is celebrating its 25th season here at Hersheypark. This GCI dueling racing wooden coaster harkens back to those racing coasters back from the turn of the century. And I will say it definitely is a mixed bag, at least in recent years, but I will say after my one ride on the Lightning side on the red train, I thought it ran very good. The first drop was definitely on the rougher side, definitely needs some TLC there, but I thought the rest of the ride actually ran pretty good. Throws you around a little bit, as a wind roller coaster should, but I thought it was good fun. Well, took advantage of the short line and just did the Thunder side of Lightning Racer. Actually, I was in the very front row. And I will say the first drop on that one was smoother than on Lightning, but the rest of the ride definitely has more of a bite to it. Definitely jostles you around more, and I actually like that more. You got thrown out of your seat more often. So I will say if you're only gonna ride one, at least this season, go on the green side, go on Thunder.
Batteries.
Trailblazer is definitely tame compared to most of the other coasters here at Hersheypark, but it definitely fills in that gap of being a true family coaster for all. As comparing it to like other mine train coasters, it is definitely on the shorter side. It only has one lift hill, but it's decently smooth. It has some quick little tight transitions. It's still fun.
Once it has, just walk through the edge. Thank you for riding Drive Off Tailroad. Enjoy the rest of your stay here.
Unfortunately, gonna have to cut the fun a little short here tonight. In about 20 minutes or so, there's gonna be a massive storm coming in, and it's gonna be happening all night. But really didn't have much complaints here at Hersheypark. I got on most of what I wanted to do today. The park was not that busy today, and it actually turned out to be a very nice afternoon. Highlights for me were definitely getting back on both Wildcat's Revenge and SkyRush. Both of those coasters are absolutely phenomenal in my eyes. But what's great is that now we get to go next door to Chocolate World, an indoor attraction full with a free dark ride, the world's largest candy shop, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So let's go see what's happening in there.
It's the milk we make that's at the heart. The inspiration from the very start, and you can taste the love all over the world.
The grinding turns cocoa beans into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Isn't it amazing how a little sugar and cacao become perfection just by adding milk? Mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate, special dark bars.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups, my personal favorite.
You need one of these tall steps. Wait, this room's new. Not my budget.
Just did the free Hershey's Chocolate Factory tour ride located here at Chocolate World. This has been here since the facility had opened in 1973. It's an aero dark ride, and it's actually very similar to some other dark rides, including Journey into Imagination and World of Motion. And it's a nice long edutainment style ride on the makings of chocolate. So it's almost like the Lost Epcot ride. But definitely enjoyed that. Had no wait at all, and you still get a free sample of chocolate when you get off. They have Reese's peanut butter and jelly. Your choice of either strawberry or grape flavored jelly. This sounds very tempting. About to have me some Kit Kat s'mores. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more amusement park content. And with that being said, thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.